One nice little shortcut on Android is the ability to add folders directly to your home screen for quick access. This can be any folder in your file manager, whether it's a shortcut to your downloads, photos, or whatever. To add a folder to your home screen, you'll first go to the File Manager. On my Samsung phone, that's the My Files app. And just a side note, the File Manager will look slightly different depending on what phone you're using. We'll talk more about that in a minute. Then I'll find the folder I want to add to my home screen. I'll take this Pictures folder, for example. I can tap and hold, and then from the three dots on the bottom right corner, I'll choose Add to Home Screen. That's it. Quick confirmation, and the folder goes on my home screen, where I can then move it to the position and page where I want it. One thing to note is that this is slightly different depending on which phone you're using. Samsung makes it easy, but on some phones you'll have a slightly different option to Add to Desktop. Some phones don't offer this feature at all, and if that's the case, you can use Google Drive as an alternative. Just add your files to Google Drive and then add your Google Drive folder to the home screen. Click that like button if this helped, and subscribe for more easy guides like this.